Okay, wait. I will repeat that. What is up guys, it's Dana. Today I'm going to react to I-DLE of Cube Entertainment for the first time. I know they had this really famous song Latata, which I wanted to react to and didn't get to it. But anyway, they have a new comeback already, so I'm taking the opportunity and I'm reacting to that. I might react to Latata some other time. Well, I heard that along with Stray Kids, I-DLE is like a really promising rookie group. Like Stray Kids were the boy group and I-DLE were the girl group. That is like most promising rookie K-pop group of 2018. So today I'm going to react to the song Senorita, which is probably going to be Latin. It's not too hard to think of that. Look at that, they actually have Hebrew subtitles, like in so many languages. But I'm gonna stick with English for now. Let's begin. Yeah, definitely like a telenovela from Argentina or something. What? Okay, I was not expecting the background to be so quiet. I was like, where is the music? But at the same time it was really cool. So yeah, going a little bit backwards. Hey, it sounds really cool though. And this lollipop. Wow, it's so quiet, only just some piano and this castañetas. How do you call it in English? I like her voice, it's like, sounds mature. And I like the kind of middle pitch of the voice. It's like, wow, okay. I don't know why, but I was expecting something louder and something more like high-pitched, but they seem to sing in like, not very low pitch, but somewhere in the middle, a little bit lower than most girls usually sing. And in the background I hear like so many instrumentals and the combination with some vocals and like background voices, but still it sounds very quiet, which is very unique and unexpected, I'd say. Okay, now we're getting a little louder in the chorus. Senorita. Now we're back to the quiet vibes. I like it much more than the chorus. Like, the chorus has good rhythm. Okay, wait. I will repeat that, but before I wanted to say that I like the rhythm of the chorus. I just think it sounds a little generic, like not very special. It sounds good, but like the chorus is a little more expected. But the rest, like the verses, is like very unique, and I like them much more than the chorus. And now let me repeat this thing here. Hey, I will focus on you. You don't need to ask. Who is she? I like her. My bias. My first sight bias. You know what I'm saying? Like, it does sound good, but like, very generic pop. Senorita. That was the girl, right? I see why they won like the best rookie group. They ain't no rookies. That was cool. Yeah, I don't see any rookies here, I'm sorry. Hey, Senor. Wow. Okay, so usually I tend to have like assumptions about songs before I hear them. And the assumption I had on this one is like, you know, there have been a lot of K-pop songs recently who sounds more like in Latin or Spanish vibes. If it was MAMAMOO with Egotistic or Super Junior, or I don't remember now, but there were many Latin K-pop songs lately. It became kind of trend. So I thought it's not gonna sound very special. I thought it's going to be like, let's say, the generic Latin pop we hear on the radio. If anyone listens to the radio, you know what I mean. I mean like the Latin music on the mainstream, but it was not like that. Well, maybe the chorus, as I said, but the verses really surprised me in a good way. They quietly slayed. Yeah, they quietly slayed it somehow. And this rapper, she just came like a storm and stole my heart. So in general, I really enjoyed the song and I really enjoyed the MV. I do understand the hype around them and I think it's justified. Well, based on the one song I heard so far. And I'm definitely more excited to hear La Tata right now after seeing this song. You know, I'm not sure it's the type of song I will put on my playlist, but I still really enjoyed it though. Maybe I'll put it just for the verses. I don't know, it was a refreshing sound. Anyway, if you have any information you want to tell me, any recommendations related to G-Idol or related to other idols, let me know in the comments. I will read and reply. I can't promise that I'll get to know them more very soon because there are so many K-pop groups and artists that I started to like recently, and it's very hard to keep up with all of them. It's like too much things I want to do and this much time. But who knows, I might get to it eventually, because I do try to fill my free time with things that I like. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.